Hello everybody. This container here is filled with new surprises every new video. Like and subscribe for surprise giveaways that we'll be giving mini trains away and all kinds of other stuff that's worth more. And sorry about the last video. It just stopped videotaping. So we're going to continue with some more new mini train bags and the truck. Okay, go ahead and open up the truck. Open the truck up. Show them what it looks like and what it does. There we go.
This thing's tons.
Go ahead and push it on the ground. Right on. Woohoo. Here, come here, bud. Good job. Okay. Good job. Okay.
Now can I open up my mini
yes, you can open 3 new mini trains. That's okay. Don't worry. What do you got? Oh, nice.
It's candy cane.
Candy cane Scarloey.
Candy cane Scarloey. He looks adorable. He looks so adorable. I'm even going to kiss him.
Aww. Aww.
He loves me.
That's because you're so cute. Okay, go ahead and unwrap the next one. And who's that? Oh, the last bag, by the way, sorry. It's ripped off. It's 2016 round 3. And it was bag number 54. And who is this?
Victor.
Right.
Classic Victor.
Classic Victor.
Cool. And he's right here on the box.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Right. Good job. Good job.
Cool, it's Classic Toby.
Good job, Classic Toby. Right on. Okay.
Toby wants me already.
Toby wants you to play with him already, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, you get to open up.
Oh, you forgot the number.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, bud. Good job.
Thanks.
It was in no year on the bag, and then in the back it is bag number 67. And now you're going to open up a My Little Pony Fashems.
And you can get
Turn it this way.
You can get Scootaloo, Color, Sparkle, Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Apple Bloom, and Sweetie Pie.
Good job. There you go.
We have Twilight Sparkle.
Aww. Cute. Twilight Sparkle Fashems. There you go. Put them right here. Put her there. She's so cute.
I have a new paint job because her
Oh, she's so cute. Yeah. Adorable. There you go. Now you get to open that one up. My Little Pony Mystery. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. Wonder what's gonna be. Oops. Who is it?
Whoa, it's in the blind bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to find out who it is. Here's all the different ones you can get in there. Okay.
This one feels like Pinkie Pie.
Go ahead and you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give a little rip on there and you can rip it open the rest of the way. There you go. Who is it? Oh, who is it? Who do you have?
I don't know who this is.
You don't know who that is?
Yeah, but her looks so adorable.
I thought it was Luna. Is it Luna?
Yeah.
Is it Princess Luna?
Yeah. Her
Wow.
good. The other one is
Oh,
bad.
look at this.
The other one is bad.
The other one's just, they got a different attitude, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is that ever
This one
pretty?
is a good one.
She's pretty. Okay, let's put her here. Wow. And now you get to open up a Thomas and Friends Mashem.
And it's come with Gordon, Percy, Thomas, James, Toby, and the top of them.
Who you gonna get? Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Who is it?
Oh, Toby.
Oh, wow, Toby. A Toby Mashem. That is so cool. They're so squishy. Really squishy. It's funny. But this is so pretty. These are really, you know, they're a little bit more money, but they're really worth getting. They got really nice ponies in there.
Yes, they do.
Wow.
Now we get to open up.
Oh, now we get to open up the surprise box. Wonder what's inside.
It's a surprise box.
What's in there? Oh, who is it? Put it up here, buddy. Who is it?
It's Light Up Percy.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Light Up Percy. And she's the new one with the clamps on either end. Can you open that for Junior? Or can you rip it open? Rip it open from the back where the hole is. Can you do it? Need help? You can do it.
Here's the card.
Oh, that collector page, right? And probably instructions where the battery's in or whatever.
Yeah.
Nice. And it's from Thomas and Friends, The New Adventures. Aww. That's really cool. Wow, is she ever bright?
A bright green.
Bright.
Bright.
He's a bright.
Bright.
Oh, bright.
And now
Really
we get
bright
to
green
open
in.
up our Hot
What number? What number's Percy?
Number 6.
Right. Look at that. Wow, ain't
Hey,
that cool?
We have a mini Percy too.
Yeah. Aw.
It's a dino person got today.
Yeah. There we go. And then it's got the new connectors, and these connectors are rotatable. You
This
can
is
rotate
the
them.
last one, which is the Hot Wheel.
Okay, the Hot Wheel pack.
Hot Wheel pack.
Who is it? Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that is nice. Can you hold it like this, buddy?
Sticker.
Hold it like that.
I'm
Sideways.
going to show them
Oh.
something.
Oh, you want to show them the stickers? I need this held sideways for a bit.
Guess where
Oh,
you put
wow, that is really, that's a
sticker
really
card.
nice metal heavy car. That's
Where you
really
put
cool.
the stickers, guys.
Nice.
Right on here.
There we go. Good job. Right on. That is a really cool looking car. Mystery models. Wow, ever cool. Okay, so now you're going to show them the new adventures track that you have. Let's go show them the track since the other video cut out. Here it is right here. It's the over and under bridges. Go over and under.
Let's show them how this one talks.
Okay, good job.
At all. It's sign.
Here he comes, over there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, and under the water. Oh, here's the box.
Yep, it's called Adventures.
Really cool kit.
Cute. Cute, cute.
Okay, let's go back over here, bud. So remember to
Like, two thumbs up for the mini train blind and like and subscribe.
right on.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.